In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to install BCWipe on Windows with a purchased license. The email that you received after purchasing BCWipe includes a link to download the program from our official website, jetico.com. Find BCWipe and save it to your computer. When the download is complete, open the setup file to start installation. If you are prompted for elevation, click Yes. By default, BCWipe is in English, but you can select another language. Just open the drop-down menu and find the language you need. In this demonstration, we are keeping English. Read the license agreement and check the box to accept. Now go ahead and click Next. Browse the destination directory. Here, we are keeping the default location for installation. Select the program folder. Here, we leave it as suggested, but you can always change it as you require. BCWipe comes with a number of complementary add-ons. If you wish to install them, check the adjacent boxes. Here, we are only selecting BCWipe. Since you have purchased a license, choose External License and load the license received from vendor. Open the email that you received from us. Open the text file. Highlight the license data from the beginning of license data block to the end. Right-click and choose Copy. Go back to the registration window and select Paste from clipboard. Your registration info will be displayed. Click Use the license and finish installation. Wait till the installation is complete and click Finish. Don't forget to restart the computer. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software